We have plate loaded machines. Here's our plate loaded ECP lat pull down by Impulse, hack squats, benches, everything you can imagine.
We have different varieties of sports grass as well. You can see there we have displayed it. We have also started with a running track EPDM recent.
First state sports university of Uttar Pradesh that is purely based on sports. We offer so many courses that is related to sports.
Care through our portal. In the same way, the players will get benefited. They'll be able to register for your tournaments, and then they can get a fixers when the match is happening. When the match is scheduled, they'll get to know like which court I'm going to play.
With MRP just like 260, we are giving on it. 260, 260. So starting premium. It's a mid premium range, and it's a breathable one. And you can see the quality of this.
And all those things. Some of the stadiums which are very prestigious in India, we have supplied seats there. Some of these prestigious stadiums in India, and we have a manufacturing facility in Baroda and in Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
This is our family of international brands, each one giving you a particular opportunity. Impulse.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आई हूँ स्पोर्ट्स फिटनेस एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एक्सपो 2026 में, जो कि स्टार्ट हो चुका है भारत मंडपम के हॉल नंबर 14 में। तो अगर आप कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है, आपको स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है, तो आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स में क्या लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी चल रही है, क्या नए नए इक्विपमेंट्स आए हैं, और यहाँ पर बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी चल रहे हैं जिनमें कि आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि अमूल ने कुछ वेट लिफ्टिंग के चैलेंजेस यहाँ पर रखे हैं। उसके अलावा बहुत सारे ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स हैं जो कि आप यहाँ पर आकर ट्राई कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर आप आकर स्केटिंग कर सकते हैं, क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, हॉकी खेल सकते हैं, और कुछ और भी गेम्स हैं, अभी आपको दिखाएंगे। सो वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर एंड तक देखिएगा। वीडियो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रहने वाली है। अगर आप कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है, स्पोर्ट का बिजनेस करते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स को अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, या फिर स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट्स में डील करते हैं, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। और अगर आज आप फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे चैनल पर आए हैं तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस। तो चाहे आप एथलीट हो, फिटनेस लवर हो, कोच हो, या कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, ये एक्सपो आपको इंस्पायर किए बिना नहीं छोड़ेगा। सो हियर यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड world class sports infrastructure, latest innovations in sports you are going to see here। तो चलिए दिखाते हैं आपको एक एक करके। So right now I am at Hexgen Sports, which is a company from Coimbatore, and it is a sports management and technology company. They are into planning and running sports events also.
Hi, I'm Shruti. I'm representing Hexgen Sports. We specialize in sports tech, especially in cricket, football, tennis, and pickleball. We specialized in closed loop training system. We are mostly AI based. So closed loop includes manufacturing, training, and
So, so in last 1 year, you have supplied your machines to how many institutes?
we have given it to over 100 clients in the last 1 year, and we have also done exports to US, UK, Australia, and few other are in pipeline now.
Clients are academies.
Mostly they are academies. We have also given it to schools. We have given it to cricket clubs and other sports clubs.
So for this machine, what is the price?
We have 5 variants. So the beginners variant, it starts from 1.85, and our highest variant goes to 5.5 lakhs. So we have player app and we have coach app. A player can always connect with the coach, and he can always look for a coach who is specializing in his own skill set. and he can give instructions from anywhere in the world. And at the same time, coach can also connect with a particular player through our app. He can always monitor from anywhere in the world, and he can always give the instructions and corrections that are needed to improve the performance.
Welcome to Afton Fitness. We do complete gym solutions for your commercial gym, home gym, hotel gym, institute gym, training, sports training, complete Pilates setups as well, even wellness villas, bringing saunas, ice plunges, and pool treadmill systems to you. Whatever you need, Afton Fitness has a brand for you. We have a great family of international brands that we distribute for here in India. If you'd move here with me. This is our family of international brands, each one giving you a particular opportunity. Impulse is our main B2B commercial gym brand, something for your 10,000 square foot gym setups, giving you good, affordable, high quality options, but at an Indian price. Afton Pilates is our Pilates brand, absolute best quality, better than Canadian and Italian brands. The carriage smoothness will tell you everything. Then also Spirit, giving you smart strength, hotel grade cardio, AI driven solutions. Rep, giving you complex, complete home gym systems for quality home gym customers. And Elico is the official barbell and plate of the Olympics and Commonwealth Games. So all of these brands are under our roof. Under one roof, you can get your complete quality setup done only with Afton Fitness India. Yeah. Every gym machine you can imagine. We have more than 2,000 SKUs across our brands. We have plate loaded machines. Here's our plate loaded ECP lat pull down by Impulse, hack squats, benches, everything you can imagine, and everything that you are looking for. Suppose you're looking for something that has a good build quality but a smaller footprint in a pin loaded station, we'll find exactly what you need. Suppose you're looking at making a complete gym setup with AI solutions, high technology in 1 crore, we can do it for you. You want to make a simple setup in 7 lakhs, we can do that for you as well. So everything under one roof, Afton Fitness. Thank you.
So right now I am at ESA Garments company from Tamil Nadu, and they are into exports, and they are the manufacturers of garments, and they have pan India presence also. They have distributors all over the country.
Hi, myself Yasser. I'm from Isa Garments Private Limited from Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. So our company, we are the first time with sportswear. We are attending on it. We are launching our new products called Wozo Sportswear. It's not only for sportswear; you can use for even the casual wear also. So this is our logo for it, Wozo House of Isa. So especially for his athleisure, sportswear, casual wear, all this. So we have almost all the gender, men, women, kids, track pants, t-shirts, collar necks, and coats. It will be useful. It will help for all the people who are sportswear. Even the normal people can use, daily workers. So it is. It can. I can say it's like a mid-premium range what we are giving on it, and the very price will be very affordable one. The price rate will be starting with MRP just like a 260. We are giving on it. 260. 260. The starting premium. It's a mid-premium range, and it's a breathable one. And you can see the quality of this. The Ozo brands.
What's the price for this shirt?
This is a quality of 450 only.
This for 450.
450, and actually here what we are doing, we are looking for a new distributors for our brand. So we are already we are a pan India company.
And this price which you are telling is the wholesale price.
It's a wholesale price.
It's a wholesale
Price.
what is the minimum quantity for that?
It's not about minimum fixing on it because we have a huge varieties. It's based on their requirement. They can give the order for us. So our representative will come to your location. They will give the representation on our products. You can choose whatever the size you need. You can choose, and you can give the order to them.
My name is Ajay. I'm the founder of a company called Play Matches. We are into end-to-end tournament management software. If you are a tournament organizer, you can use Play Matches starting for your end-to-end tournament organization, starting from player registration, online registration, and then player additions, and then creating fixtures. When you are creating fixtures, there is a lot of phases you need to involve. There is seedings, there is academy separations, and there will be you have to schedule the time based on your court's availability. So everything, there is a lot of work involved there. So we help you to automate everything, and that is on the fixers before the tournament day. On the tournament day, you have to schedule the matches, you have to provide the live scores, you have to inform the players. So everything is taken care through our portal. In the same way, the players will get benefited. They'll be able to register for your tournaments, and then they can get a fixers when the match is happening. When the match is scheduled, they'll get to know like which court I'm going to play, and after in each match is recorded and each point is recorded. So anybody who wants to see the live score of the match, they can watch even in the court or outside of the court. Okay, so this is not only badminton. We support like any sports which follows the team events, knockouts, round robins, all outdoor games. Like this is what heat, football, any sport which follows the knockout, round robin, team events format, we support them. Okay, so starting from your tournament creation to live score, we are there to help you. And on top of that, we also create analytics for the players, how many matches they played and how many matches they lost. So the players can create their own dashboard by playing the tournaments. So every point is tracked and every match is tracked. That's our motto. Thank you.
So right now I am at Innovative Seatings Private Limited, which is a company from Vadodara, Gujarat, and they are the seating solutions provider. So आप देख सकते हैं their presence. They have pan India presence and 1200 plus projects since 2007 and still counting. And you can see their various projects जैसे कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम कोचीन में, देन थाने, वडोदरा में इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में, देन तालकटोरा इंडोर स्टेडियम न्यू दिल्ली, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम ग्वालियर, नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम अहमदाबाद में भी इनकी चेयर्स लगी हैं.
Hello, we are from Gujarat, Baroda. Our company was started in 2007. We are 19 years old company, and we are into stadium sittings. We are a 19 years old company, and we are into stadium sittings. And we have a pan-India presence, and we have a capacity to manufacture stadium seats, 25,000 seats per month. And we have lots of models, like ranging from economical model to high-end model for box office and all those things. Some of the stadiums which are very prestigious in India, we have supplied seats there. Some of these prestigious stadiums in India, and we have a manufacturing facility in Baroda and in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. For any of your requirements for the sports infrastructure for the stadium seats and anything is there, you can contact us. Our website detail and everything is given on the is running below, so you can contact us. Thank you.
तो यहाँ पर आपको अमूल प्रोटीन पावर अप लाइक चैम्पियंस, तो यहाँ पर कुछ चैलेंजेस वगैरह भी हो रहे हैं जो भी कि आप यहाँ पर आकर ले सकते हैं वो चैलेंजेस और इन्जॉय कर सकते हैं. देखिए जैसे कि यहाँ पर चल रहे हैं वेट लिफ्टिंग के चैलेंजेस हैं छोटे छोटे. सो अमूल के छोटे छोटे गिफ्ट पैक्स वगैरह दे रहे हैं इन्हें. अगर आप
Hello, Preeti this side from Elan India, and Elan Sports is our company. So we are basically the importers of artificial grass, green walls, plants, and different varieties of sports turf. We have different varieties of sports grass as well. You can see there we have displayed it. We have also started with a running track EPDM recently, and we are also starting with badminton courts from August and September. We are FIFA qualified. We have FIFA qualified football turfs and cricket turfs and hockey, badminton and tennis. All types of turf we have with qualifications. You can also see our pedal court. We have displayed it there. This is basically the model of our pedal court. It has three different variants, different colors. We also have. Okay, so the website's name is elanindia.com, and we have another website that is elansports.com.
हेलो मैम, मैं डॉक्टर सोनिया राणा. Hello ma'am, I am Dr. Sonia Rana. I am a faculty in Major Dhyanchand Sports University, Meerut. As we all know that it is this first state sports university of Uttar Pradesh that is purely based on sports. We offer so many courses that is related to sports. In this academic session 2026-27, we offer 12 courses like BPES, BSc Yoga, MSc Yoga, and we also offer so many PG diploma programs like PG diploma in sports journalism and mass communication, and in various sports like athletics, badminton, hockey, kabaddi, wrestling, yoga, and soon we are also offer equestrian sports. That is the uniqueness of our university, that no other university offer equestrian game. And and for PG diploma, and today is the last date for registration in BPES, BSc and MSc Yoga, and date is extended till 11th August 2026 for the PG diploma programs. Those who want to be a part of our university and who are eager to wait, eager to play sports or have interest in sports, they can surely visit our website, that is www.sportsuniup.com, where you can get the admission form, fill up and submit to the submit. Thank you. You can submit it either by online as well as offline mode. And for PG diploma, last date is 11th August 2026. Thank you.
आपका बैक का रो, आपका स्विच, चेस्ट.
तो यहाँ पर आपको स्टेट वाइज पवेलियन भी मिलेंगे, जैसे कि उड़ीसा का आप देख सकते हैं, और इवेंट्स वगैरह भी इन्होंने यहाँ पर लगाए हुए हैं कि कौन कौन से इवेंट्स स्पोर्ट्स के होते हैं इनकी स्टेट में, और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चैम्पियनशिप्स, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इवेंट्स की फ़ोटोज़, अवार्ड्स, रिकॉग्निशंस वगैरह आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. इस तरफ आप देखेंगे ये मणिपुर की है. सो मणिपुर से भी अच्छे अच्छे एथलीट निकले हैं. आप पढ़ सकते हैं 19 ओलंपियंस. देखिए सो यहाँ पर आपको हरियाणा का भी पैविलियन देखने को मिलेगा, क्योंकि हरियाणा भी स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत आगे है. सो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं फोटोग्राफ्स वगैरह लगी हुई है उनके एथलीट्स की. सो हरियाणा के साथ में ही आपको स्पोर्ट्स डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ तमिलनाडु भी दिखेगा. सो 1 अगस्त तक ये चलने वाला है, तो आप भी यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं और एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं इस एग्जीबिशन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो टिल एंड मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो बहुत ही जल्दी.